What's up, my country people, my brother, my sister? Another one done boss again. Oh, Josh withdraw from Natasha case over Akpabio petition. My brother, my sister, if today is your first time tuning to my channel, you're welcome. Please always do it to like, share, comment, and also subscribe so that whenever I upload any video, you get notification from my old time subscribe. I see every one of you. For my return subscriber, I pray may God bless you all. You guys are so amazing. You guys are so wonderful. I love you guys so much. The love that I have for you guys is so amazing, so wonderful. I pray that whatever you guys do, we will be prospered in the mighty name of Jesus. My brother, my sister, Justice Obiora of the Federal High Court in Abuja has recused himself from hearing the lawsuit filed by the suspended Kogi Central Senator Natasha and the judge to decide a petition from the Senate President Godswill Akpabio challenging his, infertility. My brother, my sister, see, I know that is not everybody that wants to handle this case between Senator Natasha and Godswill Akpabio, because this case right now, as it is right now, because if you're not careful, a lot of things can happen. Seriously, she know the reason why she back out for this case. I don't know is whether it's because of the senior president Godswill Akpabio is involved. That's why she back out, because she don't want any issues. She don't want trouble. She don't want any backbones, all those stuff like that. So the case originally scheduled for hearing was resigned following the justice decision earlier on March 5th. He had issued an interim order. So this case also eyed the state committee and also privilege and public attention from producing with discipline action against Senator Natasha for allegedly, violating, the rules. Despite this court order, the Senate committee proceed with its hearing and suspended the senator for 6 months. So the judge later, his intimate order removing the restriction on the Senate activities while the case was pending. So Akpabio led legal team led by Kunde questioned the court in authority to intervene in the Senate matter. The case will be now reassigned to a different judge. My brother, my sister, we all know that this kind of things will always happen. We know about that. Sure, we all know that as this thing is it right now, there's no way that the Senate president will. I know that this judge is afraid of the Senate president. That's why she stepped down. She don't want any problem. She don't want any issue. She just want to, be herself. She don't want to hear that tomorrow is because of this and that happen. That is why she stepped down. Well, my brother, my sister, because this Senator Natasha and the Senate President case had been going on for a while now. Yeah, have been going on for several months. So right now that the judge has withdrawn from the case concerning Senator Natasha and Godswill Akpabio, right now we are waiting to see who is going to handle this case, because this case is not something that is not something that, let me just say, anyhow person or anyhow lawyer can just come and handle. This case is a very big case. It's a very serious case, so you must be a lawyer with potential. You know what I mean? So my brother, my sister, so Now that Justice Obiora has finally, stepped down, withdraw herself from this case. Now, so now the suspended Senator Natasha will now look for a new judge that will handle this case properly, because this thing as it be like this is not that easy. Oh my brother, it's not that easy. Seriously. Because according to what the journalist is saying, they are saying that if time is not taken, this case may not be whole. This case concerning this Senator Natasha and Godswill Akpabio. So right now, they will look for another judge that will take over this case and do the right thing and make sure that justice will finally prevail. Because concerning the Senate President Godswill Akpabio for suspending Senator Natasha, that he don't have that right to do that. He doesn't have that right, he doesn't have that power, he doesn't have that ability to do that, because the reason is that she's still a sitting senator. It's not as if she was not in seat, So he don't have that right, that privilege to do so. The people that could have done something like that, maybe is a court. Yes. This is the reason why Senator Natasha, sue the Senate President for this conduct, because she doesn't have any right to do that. The only person that could have right to do that is the court, not the Senate President. That is why you see in the Senate, they run their matter alone. They don't involve, court, all those stuff like that. Whatever decision that they made is stand. I know all this thing has been going on with several people, but in Senator Natasha angle, if you look at it, it's totally different. This is the reason why this case is still on up to now. And I'm not expecting that this case will soon go like that, because they are really messing with the wrong woman. Maybe they were thinking that treating Senator Natasha, setting henchmen to go and attack, her, her father house in her own town will make her scared, will make her give up, will make her, they try all manner of method so that she will back down or she will keep quiet and she will stop talking. But still, their plan still not working. You get, and Senator Natasha does not give up. She don't give up. She keep on pushing, making sure that justice is prevail. I'm telling you, my brother, my sister. See, this is the only woman that has boldness, courage to stand against anybody and talk, with confidence. Seriously. I think if it is some people right now, they could have, back down, give up, all those stuff like that. She's not the kind of person that really can succumb in all those things like that. The reason that God is always with her. She the kind of God that she's serving. I'm telling you, my sister. So let's just see how this will pan out and see who is going to take over this case seriously and see how it goes from there.